Let's start it. We can color the cell to make it stand out. We can color the text. And then we need to write down the company name. And we choose a basis, a yearly basis or a quarterly basis or a monthly basis to report our income statements. So I choose an annual basis. We start with revenues and subtract cost of sales. We get gross profit. Here you can right-click, go to Format Cells, and choose Border above. And we subtract S, G, and A, which means selling, general, and administrative expenses. We subtract also research and development expenses. So we get EBITDA, which means earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So we can also right-click, Format Cells, Border. Okay. So we can also make it bold. After EBITDA, we subtract depreciation and amortization. So we get EBIT, which means earnings before interest and taxes. We subtract further interest expenses. We get income before taxes. Here we can do Format Cell again, Border. Okay. So we can make the text bold to make it better. And then we need to subtract taxes from income before taxes. So we get net income finally. Okay. Now we enter all the data and calculate revenues, 6,000, cost of sales, 2,400, S&G, 500, research and development, 600, depreciation and amortization, 650, and interest expense, this is 400. So first we can calculate gross profit. Gross profit is equal to revenues minus cost of sales And then we calculate EBITDA. EBITDA is equal to gross profit minus S&G minus R&D. So we get 2,500 for EBITDA. And now we subtract depreciation and amortization from EBITDA. We get EBIT. And then to calculate income before taxes, we subtract interest expense from EBIT. So income before taxes is $1,450 million. Now the corporate tax is given. It is 30%. So income before taxes times 30%. This is the tax paid. In the end, we can calculate net income is equal to income before taxes minus taxes. So we get $1,015 million for the net income.